Hey guys, it's Joanna here. Do you hate running on the treadmill? Guess what? I am not a big treadmill fan as well. I'm going to show you 7 exercises which you can do on the treadmill without running. So each workout will be for 45 seconds long with 15 seconds rest in between. And these exercises will work your total body. It's going to work your legs, your core, and also your upper body. By the end of the 7 minutes, your body will be on fire and you will be burning calories. Let's get onto the treadmill. So get onto the treadmill and set the speed to 1.5 kilometers or 2 kilometers. The first workout will be side shuffle. So let's start on one side. So just shuffle from the left to the right as the treadmill is moving. And if you want to, you can either walk or you can get onto your toes slightly and shuffle side to side. And as you progress, what you can do is to slowly increase the speed. So we want to work on one side and then switch over and work on the other side. Good, keep shuffling and you should feel your outer thighs and also a little bit on your inner thighs. So this workout will really work on your hips. And then swap over and shuffle. Keep going, only 10 seconds left. You should start to really feel your hips and also your legs working. And now just take a short 15 seconds rest. Good. Just walk it out. The next exercise will be walking lunges. You can stick to the same speed at 1.5 kilometers an hour. And so let's start on one side, okay? Go left leg forward and then step right leg forward. Good. So imagine that you're walking, but on the treadmill. So the goal is to really bring your knees down as close as you can to the treadmill. And push up with your heels. Keep looking forward and lunge. So if you have a really small space, doing walking lunges on a treadmill is a great idea. Remember, keep your body upright, keep your back straight and look forward and lunge. Feel your butt, feel your hamstrings. Last 5 seconds. Last one more and rest it out. Good job. Now, get off the treadmill. Keep the treadmill running because the next workout will be walking plank. So I want you to place both hands on the treadmill. Keep your core tight in a plank position and just walk your left arm and right hand forward. And just hold the plank position, tighten your core and keep your back flat. So this workout will really work on your core and target the midsection. Avoid swinging your hips left to right. To make this workout slightly easier, what you can do is spread your legs slightly wider. If you're an absolute beginner, then you can always start on your knees. So remember, keep your back flat, okay? No piking up or no dipping or arching your lower back. Let's go, keep going, don't stop now. Under 10 seconds left. See your sweat dripping and you should really feel your entire body working. And rest it out. Good job. Now get onto the treadmill and stop the treadmill completely. For the next 4 exercises, what we want to do is to work on the treadmill without any movement. So the next workout is going to be a pull-up. Grab onto the handle, okay, and just pull your body right up. Good. This workout will really work on your back muscles, especially your mid-back. So lower yourself down, controlled, pull up, and squeeze your back muscles. Good. Lower, pull up, and squeeze. So remember to keep your knees slightly bent and just focus on working on your upper body. Avoid using your legs. Good. Control, pull up, squeeze. Good. Keep going, squeeze. The goal is for your chest to almost touch the bar. Squeeze, last one more, control, and pull it up. Good. 15 seconds rest. And the next workout will be mountain climber. So it's going to be an inclined mountain climber, okay? The goal is to bring your knee close to your elbow. Ready? Let's go. Knee to elbow, controlled, knee to elbow. Good. Don't rush the workout. I want it nice and controlled and really squeeze your abs. Again, when you're in a plank position, keep your back flat and a nice and controlled movement. Incline mountain climber will really work on your core even more, and you will also feel on your upper body. This is a harder version. Good, keep going. Knee to elbow, knee to elbow. Remember to breathe, pace your breathing. You have 10 seconds left. Squeeze those ab muscles. Keep going. Last 5 more seconds. Last 1 more on both sides. And rest it out. The next workout is actually my favorite workout, but it is extremely challenging. So it's a plank knee tuck with push-up. Get your body ready. We're gonna start with a push-up. So 1 push-up, and your goal is to pull the treadmill right in, tuck in your knee towards your abs. Another push-up. Pull the treadmill right in, tuck it in, bring your legs back. Nice. Push-up. And pull it right in. When you pull the treadmill in, that's when you will really work on your lower abs and also your upper abs. Good. 1 more push-up. Now give me your best. Pull and drag it in. It may look easy, but it is not. Keep going. Good. As you progress, what you can do is to speed it up slightly. Pull it in, knees to your abs. 1 last push-up, 1 last knee tuck, pull it in, squeeze, and rest it out. Well done. 1 final workout, okay? We're not starting the treadmill. So the final workout is a treadmill push. What I want you to do is place both arms on the bar and start pushing the treadmill and start to move the treadmill, okay? This workout will really work on your butt muscles, your quads, and also your hamstring. And eventually, once you get the momentum, you can start to run. Good. So tiptoe and start running and really push against the handles. Good. Keep going. Don't stop right now. This is like pushing and running uphill. Keep going. Push it. Squeeze your butt cheeks. Keep pushing. Breathe. Pace your breathing. Let's not stop right now. You have 10 seconds left to the end of the workout. Come on, give me your best effort. It's only a 7-minute workout. Keep going. 1 last push. And smile. You are done. Right, so that's your workout. Get this workout done. Let me know how you feel at the end of your workout. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video, challenge your friends to do this 7-minute workout on the treadmill. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification button so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. All the best!